Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. So today, I know I say this in like all my videos, but I'm literally so excited to be doing this video because I got my Jeffree Star mystery box in the mail. It's the Valentine's Day mystery box. I know that he came out with a box previous to this, but I wasn't able to get my hands on it. So before I start unboxing this, I'm actually going to go over a little bit what happened. What happened to me in order to get this box. So he was launching this at 1 Pacific Eastern Standard Time, I think. I don't know. Anyways, at my time zone, it was 1. And I was on the website immediately as soon as it turned 1 o'clock, but I couldn't see it. He was like advertising on his homepage the Alien palette collection, whatever, but he wasn't actually advertising the whole Valentine's Day box. So I was really confused and I was trying to like rush to the website and see where it was, and I was like, oh my god, maybe there's like a lag or a problem, and it just never, like they're having problems launching it on the website. So then I went to, because he uploaded a post to Instagram saying that they're live now to order, and everybody was telling me that was in the accessories column. So I mean, that's just something that would have been nice to know beforehand, that it wasn't gonna, that you had to like, you know, go underneath accessories, because I just thought since it was something new, whenever like you know, if Morphe comes out with something like Jaclyn Hill, when her collection came out, she was all over the homepage, James Charles, etc. So I just thought that it would be something that they'd be having right on the homepage where you can order it. So that literally took me like at least like 10 minutes to figure out even what was going on with that. So that was really annoying. And then I kept getting kicked off of the website because, I mean, this has absolutely nothing to do with Jeffree, by the way. This is not Jeffree's fault and why people are getting kicked off of the page and trying to order it, because there had to at least be 1 million, if not more, people on that website at once. Of course it's going to crash. Of course it's going to be slow and has its problems. That's not Jeffree's fault. By the time I even had everything in my cart and I was ready to check out, I had both boxes in there. I had the premium box and the deluxe box. By the time I got everything in there, everything was still good. They were still available, but estimating the shipping rate took the longest. So it was almost a half an hour at this point. It was like 1:25, and it finally estimated, and then it told me that they sold out of the deluxe box, and I was super upset about it because I had it in my cart and I was so ready, and if it wasn't for estimating the shipping rates, I would have had that box, and I had it in my mind that I was going to order both. So I'm not gonna lie, I was like really upset about that. I wanted both boxes so much. And just for anybody new watching, I know you guys might be a little confused, like, wow, Shelby, we don't really hear you talking about Jeffree Star, and I don't have any makeup by Jeffree Star. These will be my first makeup items by Jeffree Star. I am starting to become a little bit of a Jeffree Star fiend now. I do like Jeffree Star, and I'm really excited now to try out his makeup. Also, another thing, today is the February 4th, and I got it in the mail today. I'm gonna be recording this today, editing it, and uploading it, but they told me that they would send me an email when it's going to be sent out. I just got an email today saying that it's going to be sent out, but I already got it, obviously, so it's obviously something that the email should have came to me like a day or two ago, not today, because I had no idea when I was going to get the box. So I was completely shocked when the box ended up at my door this morning, and I had to hurry up and put on a full face, obviously, to do a video. So I thought that was kind of strange that they just now sent me a confirmation saying that they're just now sending the box out, but I actually got the box in the mail. If you didn't get your box yet, don't worry about it. I think that just with all the traffic on the website, it might take a little bit, and that's okay, because I mean, I can't even imagine how many orders he has right now. So anyways, let's get into the unboxing. Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. This is what the package looks like. It's beautiful. I really do love this like whole little theme that he has going on. I'm not gonna turn it around because there's actually the shipping information on the back and my address and stuff like that. So when you open it up, you have really cute pink tissue paper. And yeah, oh my god, I'm so excited about this. So this is what it's looking like when you open it up. I'm really sorry my light's washing it out. And by the way, I don't even have my ring light up. I'm using my lights from my vanity just to like, I don't know, see how this video turns out. So right away, the first thing on the top is a Jeffree Star pop socket. So that's how it's looking right there. I'm really sorry. I have literally horrible lighting. Other YouTubers are better than me. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's actually... Oh crap, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. I'm sorry, guys. There's actually like, this has to be a highlighter on the packaging or something. There's something that broke in here for sure, because this whole box is really messy. Oh my god, you guys, yeah. So, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like residue of highlighter in there. Oh, no! Dude, you guys, this is broken. Like, first of all, very excited though. Everybody was getting pink or blue highlighters. This is King Tut. So super excited about that because it seems like something I'd wear. Let me just take the residue off the back and swatch it for you guys. But it looks beautiful, but this is broken, like for sure. And I know Jeffree went under fire when these highlighters first came out because they were coming out broken. And I'm pretty sure, wasn't it King Tut that came broken when it first came out? Like, no tea, no shade, but I'm just saying. Oh my god, no! Guys, it's broken. That makes me so sad. First of all, this highlighter is huge. Like, this is my face, and this is the highlighter. So I'm definitely going to be contacting Jeffree Star. I'm going to be contacting customer service. I'm not going to be like, oh my god, I want my money back, da-da-da. Just send me this exact highlighter again, and I'm happy. I'm not going to make a huge deal about it because technically it's not really their fault. It might be obviously the male's fault and why it got broken. But obviously, you know, them being, you know, customer service are probably going to send me another one. But like I said, I don't want my money back. I don't want like free makeup off the website. I literally just want this back and I want it intact. But that is a really big bummer because this is a beautiful shade and I'm literally so happy. I feel like I'm so lucky to not have gotten a blue or green highlighter because I was obviously watching videos before this and I was super nervous about it because I was like, God, I'm not going to wear that. And the item I was most excited to get was the highlighter. So, my other video before this was literally posted yesterday and it was a DIY vanity. And as you guys know, I got a new vanity and it's white and I gotta like literally wipe this off before I put it on the vanity because I'm not messing up my new vanity. Anyways, that's a bummer, but like I'm not mad at Jeffree Star or Jeffree Star Cosmetics, whatever, him on it, because I guarantee you it probably wasn't his fault. But I really do hope I get another one and I just want it in King Tut because this is beautiful. Like, you guys see it right there. It's absolutely beautiful. It looks like you got a pop socket, a highlighter, and we have 3 liquid lipsticks here and one of his lipstick ammunitions, whatever it's called. It's a regular lipstick. I am wiping off these products before I show them to you so my hands don't get too dirty. But this is a velour liquid lipstick in the color Posh Spice. So this is the packaging right here. And then this is the color. It's like a very cool toned, kind of purpley nude color. I'm here for it. I like it. Oh yeah, that's pretty. I love this color. It's not definitely a color that I would wear every day just because I do think these shades make me look a little bit sickly. But it is really, really pretty. I do like it. And I heard nothing but good things about his liquid lipsticks. So I'm very excited to try it. And this packaging, you guys, is killer. Like, literally, this is beautiful packaging. So, and then we got one of the other velour liquid lipsticks. This is in different packaging, though. I think maybe, like, it's, like, for different collections or sets that come out. But this is in the color Scandal. Looks like a purple shade. I know when people are unboxing these, they were kind of like, oh my god, is the liquid lipstick going to be glittery? But from my knowledge, it's not. I don't know if I want to swatch this or not because I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I'm honestly not a purple lipstick kind of gal. It doesn't look like, it looks like a lavender kind of almost in the tube, but it doesn't, so I guess I am going to swatch it really quick. Oh no, it's lavender. It's lavender. Very, very bubbly purple color. This is probably something I'm going to end up like reselling because I don't see myself using it, but like... the packaging is like literally everything, but I don't want to keep it just because of the packaging because I really don't see myself wearing this color. But like literally, you guys, on camera, it's not turning out like how it should be. Like literally, this packaging is beautiful. Then we have another one in the sparkly packaging and it's called Clout, another purple shade. and it looks like that. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Like I said, I probably am gonna resell these just because I know I'm not gonna wear them, but they're only be swatch. Oh, this is a metallic. Okay. Okay, sis. This just says velour liquid lipstick again. It doesn't say that it was gonna be metallic, but from here you can kind of tell because it has a shiny finish. But that's the lipstick right there on the end. I'm not into metallics, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not feeling those two purples. It's not for me. Obviously, it's a mystery box. You don't know what you're gonna get. And I was kind of scared about that when I first originally wanted to order the boxes, because like, oh my god, what if I get a full box of stuff I just don't want? All right, so now we're going on to the lip. I can't pronounce that word. I'm actually gonna try. Anyways, it is in the color X Supermodel. It looks like a pink shade. Doesn't look too bubbly pink though, so hopefully I'll be able to wear it. Like, Jeffree Star looks amazing in pink. Obviously, that's his whole thing. Like, you can't think about Jeffree Star without thinking about the color pink. But me, I look stupid in, like, bright pinks. I wish I could pull it off like him, but I can't. But anyways, there is the packaging right there. This, again, is killer. Like, the whole, like, pink bullet. Like, I love it. And this is what it looks like. I do think I'll be able to pull this lipstick off. Oh, it is more bubbly, though, when you swatch it. I don't know, we'll see. Like I said, these whole like out there colors really aren't for me. I wish that it looked like the way it did in the tube, because I feel like these look completely different. I know might be mixed opinions about it. You guys tell me what you think, but I definitely think that it looks a little bit more of a bubbly pink when you swatch it opposed to the actual tube. And this is actually looking a little bit more brown now that it's dried down, which is great. I would love it to be more brown than more of a purple cool tone. So I'm actually really excited about the one of the liquid lipsticks. Like, I can definitely see myself wearing that every day. Alright, you guys, so that's it for this unboxing. I overall am a little underwhelmed with it, but then again, like, that's a whole mystery box. You don't know what you're gonna get in it, but I am super excited about the highlighter and the pop socket and at least one of the lipsticks. But I'm not gonna lie, obviously, 3 of the lipsticks I'm not like too happy with. But all in all, I was the most excited to get the highlighter, and I'm super happy that it's in a shade that I'll actually like. You guys tell me what you got. I know I've been watching so many videos, and a lot of people have been getting like the Diva lipstick, and like I said, the blue or the green highlighters. So I feel like mine was like really different compared to everybody so far. I don't know about you guys. Definitely let me know down below if you guys got a box. What did you guys get into it? What was your favorite thing? What didn't you guys like about it? Either way, I'm all about like getting mystery boxes, and I love being surprised. So I'm definitely probably gonna order another one when he gets it out. Cannot wait to try out the formula to see if I actually genuinely like it. And if I do, then baby girl just might. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, everything before you leave. Also, my video that I just uploaded with the DIY vanity will be linked down below, so don't forget to go check it out. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.